Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a login password in Windows 11 on HP notebooks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your system unit is powered on and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. This initial boot process might take a minute or two, so just be patient while everything initializes and you reach your desktop screen. Once your PC is fully ready and you're at your main desktop, you can begin the process of creating your login password. Navigate to the Windows Start menu, which you'll find located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon, and when the menu opens up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Sign In options using the search bar, and then hit Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the Sign In options window, which is where Windows 11 manages all your security and login settings. From here, look for the password option within the Sign In options window. Once you locate it, click on the password option and it will expand to show you additional settings and controls. You'll notice an Add button appears, so go ahead and click on Add to begin creating your new password. This action will open up a Create Password menu where you can configure your new login credentials. In this Create Password menu, you'll see fields where you need to enter your information. Type in your desired new password in the first field, making sure it's something secure but memorable for you. Then, in the confirmation field directly below, type the exact same password again to verify it. This double entry system ensures you didn't make any typos and that you can reliably enter this password later. Below these fields, you'll also see an optional password hint field. This is entirely optional, but if you want to add a reminder phrase or hint that will help you remember your password in case you forget it, you can type that in here as well. Once you've configured all these settings and you're satisfied with your password and optional hint, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then see a confirmation screen showing the sign-in account that's now associated with the password you've just created. This screen confirms that your password has been properly configured for your user account. Simply click on Finish to complete the process, and your login password will be successfully created and activated for your Windows 11 GP notebook. Now your computer is secured with a login password, which means every time you start up or wake your device, you'll need to enter this password to access your account and protect your data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.